Did you know, did you know that anyone can develop a snoring problem at any age? Yeah. You see, snoring, that sound that you hear, it comes about when the tongue relaxes too much when you are sleeping, thus blocking your airways. What is happening there is when enough oxygen is not getting to your brain. So you know it's like that force. That is how you get that sound. You have often heard, and I have heard it as well, perhaps you have heard it as well, that snoring can be caused by a number of things, such as drinking too much, obesity, as well smoking. Yeah, those are some of the things. But did you know, yes, did you know that snoring can also be caused when there is a weakening of the muscles in the tongue or the muscles in the jawline? Yeah, those are things to explore as well. Those are possibilities. So the next time when you're hearing Mas John, Mas Tom, Auntie Mary, your grandma over there snoring, don't make any fun. Don't get annoyed. It could be caused by the weakening of the tongue muscles or the weakening of the lower jawline. Luckily, there are exercises that you can do. Yes, I bet you didn't know that there were exercises for the tongue and exercises for the jawline as well. Yeah, and we are going to do them together. You'll thank me later. Don't worry. What I do is that I do these researches, these different researches, so that you can continue to lead your busy life. So let us go into the different ways of actually doing the exercises for the tongue and the jawline. So here we go. The insert will show you how to exercise the tongue. So what you're doing is that you are pressing firmly your tongue to the roof of your mouth. While holding it in that position, you're going to try to open and close your mouth. Open, just go up and down, as you are seen in the insert. So that's exercise number 1. Exercise number 2 is where you're going to close your mouth, just slightly put your teeth together, and then you are going to gently push your tongue towards your teeth. So it's going to be nice, gentle, and firm. So those are 2 exercises that you can do. There's another one that I'm not going to demonstrate how to do it, but I'll be telling you how to do it. For that one, you're going to stick your tongue out, and then while your tongue is stuck out, you're going to just move your tongue from side to side. So side to side, then up, down, up, down. So all of that you're doing while your tongue is out of your mouth. Okay? Now, to strengthen the jawline, I'm going to show you 2 exercises. One will involve the use of a tennis ball. So if you have a tennis ball or any little ball, what you're going to do is to gently put it here, like so, and you press down against it. So this. So if you notice, when you're pressing down against it, it builds up some tension around here, and you will be able to feel it. So do like. And I can tell you, I definitely feel the tension when I use this. Okay, so that was one. The second one is where you are going to put your tongue to the roof of your mouth again, but this time you are going to keep your mouth closed. So you are going to remember, nobody's going to see, nobody will know that you're doing it. Put it that way. It's just your little secret. So you can do it on the go, wherever. So put your tongue to the roof of your mouth and press on it like this. So you're pressing on it, but nobody knows. So these are just two ways of exercising the jawline. And I have also told you about ways of exercising the tongue muscles as well. So remember, let's go back to say that some people snore. That's why you will hear some people say that I didn't used to snore, all of a sudden I have started snoring. It could be that the muscles in the jawline, is getting a bit weak. It could also be that the muscles in the tongue is getting a bit weak as well. Of course, you're going to think, but I eat every day, so I'm exercising my tongue and stuff. No, you're exercising your jawline. No, that's not opening it enough, right? So so snoring, sometimes what happens is that your jawline, so that's why you're exercising your jawline as well. So your lower jaw falls back, and as a result of that, the tongue falls back as well, and both of them together will block your airways. So, these are ways of exercising your tongue muscles and ways of exercising your jaw as well. Another way that you can also exercise your jaw is that you can open your mouth. And you will definitely feel it. I hope that you will go ahead, exercise. What I've read as well is that you should see improvement in 2 to 3 weeks. And if your snoring is not caused by the weakening of the jawline or the tongue muscles, then hey, exercise is good for you. So it's a good form of exercise in any case. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.